MB589 and MG589, a faceless permissionless framework for the future of Web3. Whitepaper version 1.0. Status: Living Document Network. XRPL Core. Ethos: No kings, just builders. Abstract: MB589 and MG589 introduce a new paradigm for Web3 ecosystems. Faceless memetics combined with permissionless builder licensing. Rather than centering power around founders, roadmaps, or authority structures, the MB589's MG589 framework enables governance to emerge from participation, creativity, and real-world usage. This paper outlines the philosophy, architecture, and long-term vision behind MB589 and MG589, not as traditional projects, but as open frameworks for collective creation. 1. The problem. With Web3. Today, despite its promise, much of Web3 has recreated Web2 power structures: founder-centric authority, roadmap dictatorships, personality-driven tokens, passive investor culture, DAO governance captured by whales. These systems introduce fragility, stagnation, and social capture. Web3 needs a structure that scales without rulers. 2. The MB589 and MG589 thesis. MB589 and MG589 are built on three core principles: faceless memetics, permissionless creation, consensus over authority. Together, they form a system where no individual controls direction. Builders are incentivized to act independently. Culture evolves organically. Governance is emergent, not enforced. 3. No kings policy definition. MB589 operates under a no kings policy. No central ruler, no permanent leaders, no roadmap tyranny, no founder worship. Why this matters: authority concentration creates single points of failure. Removing kings removes capture. In MB589, MG589, influence comes from contribution. Direction follows participation. Leadership is temporary and contextual. 4. Faceless memetics. What is faceless memetics? MB589 deliberately avoids mascots, celebrity founders, singular narratives. Instead, the token itself becomes a memetic license. Benefits: censorship resistance, cultural adaptability, longevity beyond individuals. Ideas scale faster than identities. The meme belongs to everyone. 5. Permissionless builder. License ownership equals right to build holding. MB589 grants holders the right, not the obligation to build. Apps, games, brands, narratives, cultural artifacts, no approvals required. License characteristics: non-restrictive, fork-friendly, commercially usable, culture first. This turns investors into active ecosystem multipliers. 6. MG589, the cultural counterpart. While MB589 represents strength, structure, and builder sovereignty, MG589 complements it with expression creativity, community energy, narrative expansion. Together, they create balance. MB589 builds infrastructure. MG589 expands culture. Neither dominates. Both coexist. 7. Governance by participation. No traditional DAO, MB589, MG589 does not rely on formal voting systems, token-weighted governance proposal bureaucracy. Instead, builders who build shape direction. Culture follows usage. Successful forks influence future creation. Governance emerges naturally through what survives and scales. 8. XRPL as the foundation. MB589 and MG589 are built on XRPL for its speed, low transaction costs, reliability, scalability. This enables rapid experimentation, micro-app ecosystems, gaming and metaverse integrations, real-world usability. XRPL supports builders without friction. 9. 1 million devs, the human layer. 1 million devs is the onboarding and coordination layer for this ecosystem. It exists to remove fear from building, encourage shipping over, learning, normalize public experimentation, turn replies into infrastructure. No-code and low-code tools lower the barrier so participation scales globally. 10. Token utility. Non-speculative. MB589 and MG589 are not promise-based assets. Utility emerges through Cultural adoption, builder licensing app ecosystems, memetic propagation, value accrues through use, not marketing. 11. Anti-fragility by design. The system is designed to survive. Founder exits, market cycles, narrative shifts, cultural forks, because there is no central authority to remove. Anyone can continue building. Success is decentralized. 12. The future of Web 3. According to MB589 and MG589, the future is not more roadmaps, more DAOs, more founders. The future is permissionless builders, faceless culture, consensus through action, communities formed by replies, memetics as infrastructure. 13. Conclusion. MB589 and MG589 are not destinations. They are starting points. They offer a framework, not a dictatorship, a license, not a promise, a culture, not a brand, no kings, no waiting, just builders.